Hello, my name is Susanne Kienzle and I'm working in the marketing department of Vega. As a member of the PACTware Consortium, I want to introduce PACTware to you as a standardized operating program. In the past, an own operating program was necessary for setting up each instrument. This program was provided by the manufacturer. Due to this, training and maintenance requirement was very high. With PACTware, this is much easier. With PACTware, you can set up instruments, make parameter adjustments or diagnostic for maintenance purposes, and all this manufacturer independent. This can be also done protocol independent. We will demonstrate this on the example of the HART protocol. The PACTware Consortium is responsible for further development and the maintenance of PACTware. This means for you security of investment and stability due to high test coverage. You are certainly wondering where you can buy PACTware. This is quite easy. On PACTware.com you can find a list of companies where you can get a free of charge download of the software. PACTware, the universal operating tool.